Here we are, fellas, once again at Chrisman Garage. We got us a 2003 Dodge Ram with the Hemi 5.7 liter. And you get going down the road, she'll get a little hot, check engine light will come on, you stop, she'll cut off. You get back going again, check engine light go out, it come back on, it just does crazy stuff. Come to find out, it was the cooling fan, secondary cooling fan coming on, not working. It has gone to the bad. So in this video, we're going to be changing on the cooling fan on this 2003 Dodge Ram. Hood pulled up on this thing. Good gracious. Yeah, she's not gonna stay up, but we've got a fix for that. There it is. Actually, let's put it over here out of the way. Yep. Look at that. Like a boss. Bring y'all over here so you can see what's going on. We've got the secondary cooling fan right here. Is this on the side? If you're looking at the engine, she sets right over here on this side. And we've got to take this loose. If you notice, you've got a line right here and it goes in behind it. So if I can, let's see, let's go right here. See right here, we're gonna cut this right here so that we can get it off, no problem. Should be fine, shouldn't be that bad to do. All right, here we are. Looks like 13. Like I said, we're gonna trim this little piece out right here. All right, first things first, we're gonna trim this piece right here. Just like that. Just like that. We cut that little piece out, as you can see. So now this line that goes right here, we'll be able to slide it right past that. Hopefully it will clear it all. Might have to get this out of the way. Well, maybe not. There we go. Okay. It's simple. Got to push this little clip over. Mash this, pull that out. We've got two 10mm bolts on the side here. I'll show you where they're at when we get it out. And there's 10mm bolts on that side either. Two. So let's get on there. They're a little tricky to get to. There's one of them right there. They've got like Loctite on them, so they're tight all the way out, but I'm gonna lay them right here. This one right here, once we get it broke loose, set this over there, set this over there, so we don't lose on any of this stuff. We can flop it around a little bit more. This bolt's tougher to get to than Jerry Clower at an expo. Here we go. Let's see here. All right, now these two that I took out on the top, there's two more at the bottom, and I'm gonna go up underneath and get them. Those were actually easier to get to than the top ones. There's a lot of room down there. And it looks like now that we've got this condenser cooler free. Mud dauber. She's a little tight. Got her loose. She's flopping around a good little bit. It can't come out the bottom because of the chassis. I wonder if I could loosen this thing up. Looks like it was a 13, and there's a little clip right here with a Phillips clip like that. Looks like this may slide back. Oh, it did. Oh yeah, look at there. Look at that. Oh, we got another. Old mud daubers. They love it. They love it. Now that thing's might be in the way. Let's try to pick the whole thing. Let's try to pick the whole caboodle. Oh, look at there. We might be working with something now. I might come up with the whole thing like this. Oh, I see what's got me. Dog, chat. There we go. That wire had a little clip on there. Look at that. Pull the whole coot and caboodle up. All right, we got the old fan here. As you can see, this was kind of the top where it was at. Set down. Here's those screws on the side. There was one here, one down here, and then you got one up here and one down here. We got the new one beside it. Looks like these things are gonna have to come off. Okay. Boop. Like that. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, you see where we had to cut it? Right here, we're going to do the same thing over here on this one. All right. We got the old one. See where we had to cut it out right here? Where we're going to cut the new one out. Same place. Matter of fact, we might, let's just go on and, since this one was cracked from the place that we ordered it from, we're gonna go on. I always like to give a little extra room. You know, old Pop's marked it right there, but we're probably gonna give it a little more than that. And I don't like sharp edges, so I always come back here. Let's go and taper her back so she ain't got a sharp edge on her. All right, we're gonna try to put her back in there. All right, we're gonna try to finagle this thing back down in there. She might be a little tight, but we're gonna get it. I think it'll go. What do y'all think? You think I'm gonna get it in without tearing anything up? Drop a comment. If you think I'm gonna tear something up, hey, drop a comment anyhow. Let's see here. You know what we might do? We might go on and get these. Yes. See, that was my fault. Oh no, that didn't work. We're gonna get it though. My plan is to go on and work on some of these little clips in here. Okay, that one lined up. Let's go and stick her in there. Look at that. That one lined up. Put that one in. Look at there. And we're gonna come over here. Oh yeah, look at there. They, for the most part, they're lined up too. There's that one. Perfect. Look at that. That is slick as a whistle. Old hobo freight. Perfect. Perfect. I would say that went in better than it came out. If we can finagle her down in there now. Push the little rubber grommets down in the little spot. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. This lines up perfect. This lines up. Put this back in there. Wow, we should have done that. We learned something on this, fellas. Pull the whole thing up out. Then disconnect. I took them out. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. Here's my plug. There she goes. Now, this is where this plug went right here that I unplugged. Plug it back up like that. Make sure she's down. Hook in those little pieces. These little pieces right here, and right here, hook into these little slots with little eyelets on them. Slides right in, just like that. Put this bolt back in. Actually, we can push that down in there like that. Then, that's all she is. That easy. Use it. There it is. Put it back in there. Back up. Alright, that was my tripod. Alright. All that looks good. Everything's in the clear. Everything looks good. I think that's going to fix us, guys. Thank y'all for watching. And remember, if she's giving trouble, she's probably going to the bad.